So we've put in place lots of measures following Welsh Government guidance to ensure the safety of both staff and learners. Social distancing, entrances and exits. We thought about PPE, sanitisation, hygiene, all those measures. We're doing everything we possibly can to ensure that people are confident and know that the place is safe for them to return to college. So we've decided to prioritise those learners that need to gain a qualification in order to have a licence to practice. In some of our vocational areas, such as construction, engineering, in all these areas and some others, learners can only gain the qualifications if they are in a workshop or have access to the facilities at college. So they're our first priority.
So basically, when a student is ready for assessment, they would have had their theory and practical elements delivered to them. Of course, because we finished so early, that may not be the case. What we've had to do is run a risk assessment on the workshop area, taking into consideration the maximum amount of students that we can have, how many tools we have, because the students can't cross-contaminate using hand tools. One of the things we've done, once we've had the morning briefing, what the students will then do is select their tools for any given assessment. They'll go around then and get any materials they require from the technician. He has a perspex dividing screen, so they'll tell him what they want, write down a list, and then he'll pass them through the screen. Once the students finish their assessment, any tools or fittings that they've handled will then be left in a solution of 9:1 disinfectant before the next student gets to handle those tools.
We understand that learners will have anxieties about returning to college. We also know that learners are concerned about their futures and want to gain their qualifications. And we believe that if we are sensible and that we proceed with caution and follow the guidelines, that we can do everything we can to enable them to succeed.